Dear students, in my previous class I have started coordinate geometry. We have also done from distance formula. Today we will do some problems from section formula. Previously I have given the section formula. Now we will get some short problems from this chapter, this topics. Now the first question. This solved problems are all from R.S. Agarwal. You will get these problems in R.S. Agarwal's books. The first question is that find the coordinate of the point which divides the join of A minus 5, 11 and B 4 minus 7 in the ratio 7:2. The ratio is 7:2. So here this is the straight line A, B. A is minus 5, 11 and B is 4 minus 7, and AP is to PB equal to 7:2. It will be like that. So the points A this minus 5, 11 and B 4 minus 7, and x1 is equal to minus 5, y1 equal to 11 and x2 is equal to 4 and y2 is equal to 7. Here m1 equal to 7 and m2 equal to 2. Let the required point be P. P is the point at which this AB will be divided with the ratio 7:2. So let the point be P and its coordinates are x and y. Now from the section formula we know that the point P equal to x equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2, and y equal to m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. So here 7 into m1 equal to 4 and 2, m2 equal to 2 and y1 equal to minus 5. Calculating this we are getting x equal to 2. Similarly y equal to we are getting minus 3. So the required point P equal to 2 and 3. This is the answer. So this is a P equal to 2 and minus 3. Second question. Find the coordinates of the points of a trisection. That means three equal parts. Trisection of the line segment joining the points A 7.2 and B 1 minus 5. So it is x1 is 7, y1 equal to minus 2 and x2 equal to 1 and y2 equal to minus 5. Let P be the trisection, P and Q be the trisection. First part, second part and third part. All these are equal. And P divides the line AB in the ratio, this will be 1 and this is this 2 parts, so it is 2:1. So the coordinate of P will be P into like this. P, this is x, this is y. So the coordinate of P equal to 5 and minus 3. And Q divides AB in the ratio 2:1. This part is 2 and this is 1. This part is 2. At first this part is 1. It is for P. And next for PQ will be from this to this and from this to this. So the ratio is 2:1. Ratio is 2:1. Ratio is 2:1. And calculating this we will get Q, the coordinate of Q equal to 3 minus 4. So the points of trisection of AB will be P is 5 minus 3 and Q is 3 minus 4. This is the answer. Question number 3. Point P lies on the line segment PQ joining P, which is 6 minus 6 and Q minus 4 minus 1 in such a way that PA by PQ equal to 2 by 5. If the point A also lies on the line 3x plus k into y plus 1 equal to 0. Find the value of a. At first we will find out the value of x and y. X and y. Next we will put the value of x and y in this equation and find out the value of k. So it is given that PA by PQ equal to 2 equal to 5. PA by PQ equal to 2 by 5, or PA and PQ equal to PA plus AQ. Just see, if PA equal to this PA, this is P, which is P is 6 minus 6, and Q is minus 4 minus 1. Q minus 4 minus 1, and the PQ, A is a point on the line, so that PA by PQ equal to 2 is to 5. This is A. This is A. 2A. So PA by PQ equal to 2 is to 5. So PQ equal to PA plus AQ. PA plus AQ. Now PA plus AQ equal to 2 by 5, or 5 PA equal to 2 PA plus 2 AQ. And calculating this, we are getting that PA by PQ equal to 2 by 3, because 5 PA minus 2 PA equal to 2 AQ by changing the side, or 3 PA equal to 2 AQ, or PA by AQ, PA by PQ, PA by AQ, it will be AQ, PA by AQ equal to 2 by 3, PA by AQ equal to 2 by 3, 2 by 3, this is, here M equal to 2 and M1 equal to 2 and M2 equal to 3. Now the coordinates of A will be like this, with the value of, this is M1, 2 into x2 equal to minus 4, and M2, that is 3 into x1, that is 6. Similarly M1, 2 into y2 minus 1, and M2, 3, and y2 is minus, y1 equal to minus 6. Divided by, this is m plus n, which is 2 minus 4. Therefore the point A will be 2 and minus 4. Putting y x equal to 2 and y equal to minus 4, we will get k equal to 2. The value of k equal to 2. Now question number 4. Question number 4 is that points P, Q, R and S divides the line segment joining the points A and B. A is 1, 2 and B is 6, 7 in 5 equal parts. Find the coordinates of the point P, Q, R, only to find out the coordinate of P, Q, R. Now if A, this is A equal to 1, 2, that is x1 equal to 1 and A, y1 equal to 2. Here B, x2 equal to 6 and y2 equal to 7. And these are 5 parts, P, Q, R and S, 4 parts. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 parts, total 5 parts. And now it is also that AP is to PQ equals to QR equal to RS equal to SB, because these parts are all equal. Now AP by PB, it will be 1:4. AQ by QP, it will be 2:3. AR is to RB will be 3:2, and AS is to SB will be equal to 4:1. Putting the and applying the section formula, we will get the coordinate of P is like this way: M1 x2 plus M2 x1 by M1 plus M2, and M1 y2 plus M2 y1 by M1 plus M2, which is 2 and 3. This is the coordinate of P. Similarly, the coordinate of Q will be like same way. The ratio is 2:3. So it's 2 into Q, 2 into 6. This is the coordinate of, this is M, this is x1, x2, and this is x1, x2 plus M2 x1 by x1 plus x2. Similarly, this is M1 x2 and M2 x1 by M1 plus M2, which is 3 and 4. And the coordinate of R, this point R, will be like the same way. We will get 4 and 5. I have also calculated the coordinate of S, which they don't want. So these three are answer. This is the coordinate of P, this is the coordinate of Q, and this is the coordinate of R. These three are answer. Now one question, the last question. Find the coordinate of midpoint of the line segment joining P, which is -11 and 8, and Q 8 minus 2. The coordinate of midpoint is given by this formula. M, this is M means midpoint, x1 plus x2 by 2 and y1 plus y2 by 2. Here x1 equal to -11 and y1 equal to -8. x2 equal to 8 and y2 equal to -2. -2, yes. So the coordinate of midpoint will be -1 plus 8 by 2 and this -8 minus 2 by 2, which is -3 by 2 and -3 by 2. This is -3 by 2 and 10 by 2, that is 5. So these are the coordinate of the midpoint M. Dear students, you will be getting all the different patterns of questions and their problems from my class. You must follow my class. That's all today. Thank you.